Alright, so we are on part 3 of the Derby build. Currently I'm on my way to go pick up Jay. And then we're going to have a full day. We got our to-do list, what we got to get done, and get the car a little bit closer to where it's going to be finished. So a little update. I'll show you guys kind of what we did last time when we swung by the car, just for a quick minute. We've got airbags out, floor, carpeting, roof, back seats, everything is out. So today we're going to work on the brake lines and probably a few other little things, so stay tuned. Jackpot. Got an update for us, Jay?
Not yet.
No updates.
Sorry.
So currently, remember 2 videos ago, the piece broke on us. So we have to, well, Jay has to recut the brake line and then reattach it. So that's what we're in the process of doing now. Alright, Jay. Where are we at, kid?
Right now we are building the new brake line. The bridge piece between the 2 old pieces where it rotted out. We finally got the existing lines that are left in the car squared. Now we gotta do the same thing to this. Install it, and then bleed the brakes. So in case anybody's wondering what I'm doing, I'm getting the window glass out of this door. We don't have a battery in the car as of yet. So we got to get the glass to come down to take it off the regulator. So I'm making my own little power supply. Strip these wires back for the motor. If the wires will actually strip. There we go.
Who said you can't do narrating?
Twist them up.
You're good at it.
Any battery for my cordless tool works just fine to supply voltage. Stick the wires in. That was for up. I gotta reverse the wires now. There we go. Windows down. Now we can continue taking the bolts out for the regulator. Regulator's out. Lower the glass back down. Take out the window channel. Out. And you just simply pull on this guy and he's out. Done. Door is stripped.
This is day 2 of part 3 of the derby car build. So we ran into a lot of problems last time, or yesterday. So the blades for our Sawzall wasn't working. The brake line kept leaking from multiple spots. The car wouldn't start. So it was just one thing after another after another. So we're hoping that today's going to go a little bit better. Today's goal, we're going to try to get the windshield out, the back window out. We're going to get the car running. So big day ahead of us. So we'll see what happens. Crossing our fingers, get this thing fired up. We can hear the exhaust since we cut it off. So stay with us. We're trying.
Derby car's back up and running. All it was a simple fucking ground wire for the fuel pump that I accidentally cut. My bad. I didn't realize it when I was in Tasmanian devil mode and ripping and tearing shit apart. But we got her fired up. You guys can hear her. She's running.
Oh fuck, there's a mouse. Alright, so we've scrapped the idea of trying to patch the brake line. So we're just doing an all new brake line. Front to back, getting that done. It's going to be a lot easier, I think. So we're in the process of doing that. We got all the glass out. You heard we got it fired up. So we just got to do the back windshield, the front windshield, so I lied. We don't have all the glass out, but it's a work in progress. We got a lot done today, and as you can see, the car starts, it drives, and it also stops on its own.
Justin! Come on, kid, hit it. Deliver. Nice. Go, Justin!